Hi, welcome back. Our next speaker, we invite AAEON. And you know, AAEON, as most people know, is an OD and OEM manufacturers. But after 20 years of progressing and growing, now they become a system and solution provider. And today they're going to show us their roadside monitoring system. And hi, Jeffrey.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, good. And you?
Yeah. Can you tell us more about today what kind of solution you're providing?
Sure. So for starter, I'm Jeffrey from AAEON Technology. I'm Head of IOT Division. So before we start, I would like to give some background information for AAEON. So AAEON is an industrial PC company. We focus on providing an industrial-grade product like on the embedded board side, we provide like Pico, ConExpress, Epic board. On the system level, we provide like fanless box PC, Rocket tablet for mobile payment system or for factory. So AAEON is actually one of the leading industrial PC company, and we have footprint across the globe with sales office and FAE support in major cities. So now bring back to my division. So IoT division is actually focused on IoT, customized IoT solution. So I would like to introduce the demo floor. The first demo set is the water level monitoring. So this has been deployed in Dublin to monitoring the water level in the river. So it helped the city official to understand the water river, the high rise, the trend, and also report the real time the water level. So it can give the warning if there's a flood coming to the citizen living around the river. So right now this one can running on is actually for this equipment is based on solar panel, equipped with solar panel and battery. So it reduces the effort for installation. So you can just quickly install anywhere you want. If there's a high risk of flood, you don't need to worry about like pulling the power line. So it's much easier to use. It also equipped with different wireless technology like sub-G, LoRa, NB-IoT, or Cat-M1. So depending on the location you have, what wireless technology is best for you, we can all support it. So that's for the water level detection. But when the flood is coming, There's nothing you can stop it. So that brings us, I would like to bring your attention to our second solution, which is the flood drainage system. So this is a solution that we work with a local company in Taiwan. So the problem with their original flood drainage solution was they have this kind of water pump in the city. When they deploy it, when the flood is coming, they deploy maybe on top of the river, bottom of the river. They scatter around the city. So since the flood is coming, it's chaos. So it's hard to track. It's hard for people to track where the water pump is. So we add a gateway, and also it's hard for them to know what's the status. Like if still have gas inside the powder pump, it's still operating. If the flood is all removed. So we put the IoT gateway inside their solution, inside their system, and with the help from using the NB-IoT, we collect how much gas is left, how many gallons of water is pumped, and we collect those data back. And also, most important, we collect the location, so they know after the flood is retrieved where to get the equipment back. So what you can see on the screen, this is actually real-time data. It reports how many gas is left, what's the voltage, what's the current running status. So that's our second solution. The third solution I would like to introduce is our intelligent RSU. So this, so right now the smart city is like a big topic, right? For sure, we are in the smart city expo. So Roadside unit is actually one of the coming the product in the smart city. So what it does is usually equipped with the IP camera or camera embedded inside with a video processing unit on board as well. So you can do video analytic, you can do license plate recognition, you can do people counting, pedestrian counting, vehicle counting, or any abnormal movements detection. And another thing is you also have V2X on board. So with the future generation of car, we'll start equipping with V2X for the automotive driving. So this will help the speed up the automotive driving, because when the RSU detects some emergency, or maybe if there's an ambulance coming, the ambulance, if equipped with a V2X module, it will send a signal to our RSU. Then RSU will broadcast this signal for the surrounding automotive car, or alert the driver to stop the car for the ambulance to pass. Another thing is right now in the smart city, there's more and more IoT solution. And so if all the IoT solution upload data to the cloud and exchange the data on the cloud, it becomes inefficient and also limited the potential for those IoT solutions can achieve. So the RSU also act as a central control hub. All the data can come to here and upload in one package or one location, and also the data can be exchanged locally in the RSU, so it make the IoT solution run more efficiently. So I think that's all the solution I have on the floor to introduce today. So I think we have a video to show, or?
Yes, exactly. Before we receive the audience questions, let's move on to a short video about their solution service.
In smart cities, street lighting not only provides general illumination, but can also detect the surrounding environment, including weather conditions, air quality, noise conditions, and traffic monitoring, as well as provide access to public wireless networks. Achieve energy efficiency of smart cities with the combination of data collection and analytical cloud computing. AAEON Intelligent Street Lighting is controlled by sensors and the central management system. The illumination varies based on the needs of the surrounding environment in order to ensure the most efficient use of resources. The system will immediately notify the administrator of a malfunction to achieve a prompt response. The user-friendly interface allows the city to be managed conveniently and efficiently in real time from a remote site. In addition, AAEON Intelligent Street Lighting has many advantages. Most importantly, it can help save energy, reduce carbon emissions, and reduce the cost of equipment maintenance. The money saved can be used to upgrade other facilities that will help to achieve a green city. Furthermore, the city will also have the advantage of financial flexibility. AAEON Intelligent Street Lighting plays an important role in constructing a smart city, empowering cities to be safer, energy efficient, and flexible for future development. AAEON, the way of the future.
Hi everyone, welcome back. Here I receive a question for Jeffrey. There is a common problem of flooding in some Southeast Asia countries. Have you got overseas partner in ASEAN countries?
Not yet. We are actually actively looking for partner in Southeast Asia. So thanks for this great question, and hope we can have your email address or contact information. We can contact you after this event. So I think, yeah, definitely we are looking for partner in a different region.
Yes, you heard him. So yes, fill out the survey and then he'll get back to you very soon. And also, I think maybe you can tell us more about your business model, because since you mentioned the cooperation with Dublin. So what is the business model here? What are you guys looking for?
So for the business model-wise, we're actually quite open. For the Dublin case, we're actually selling the hardware to the local system integrator. But by AAEON, we are committed to step into the solution provider and solution operator. So for business model-wise, we can sell you the hardware. We can sell you the hardware with the back-end services. We can also host the whole solution for you, and you become the SI to approach the customer. That's fine as well. So we are actually, and even if you don't want us to know the customer, you hope to keep your customer to yourself. You want to buy the hardware from us. You want to modify the firmware yourself. We're open to that too as well.
Okay, thank you, Jeffrey. I think that's a very detailed answer. I will check one more second to see if there's any more question here. Okay, so far so good. But if you have any questions later, you are very welcome to leave it in the chat room. Is there anything?
Yeah, maybe.
Yes.
So although since this is a Smart City Expo, so we only have Smart City solution here. But another segment we are focusing on is the smart building / factory. So we have been working with vehicle manufacturer to monitoring the power consumption in their whole facility. And we also have been working with hospital to monitoring the power usage in the hospital, and also the dashboard inside is the smart patient. We also have a display inside the patient. What's the name to call it? Patient information display. So that's something we in the smart hospital, smart building. That's something we offer as well. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Jeffrey. Okay, I think that's a wrap for today's topic tour, and it's also the last topic tour of the day. You guys are amazing. We love you, and we will see you very soon. Bye-bye.